late shift, blue light, all night, TWB on. If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO, RyanMac teaches that. If you're here for the climb, not just the hit, pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO.
Good morning. Man, what a pump, huh? It pumped all the way back up to 25.7. Eesh. Are we gonna fall here? What's going on? Is that the top? Is this the top, or are we gonna full flag it? About opening bell in a couple minutes.
Order filled.
And we're open. What business? What's up, ABG?
Stop filled. Order filled.
Hoofed. Got it. Yeah, and I'm having a tough time I'm struggling with holding trades lately. I don't know what it is. Something in my mind is kind of rolling over when it comes to trading. Can't seem to, every time like we go green, I bring my stop to break even, and obviously it comes back and whips me out. But can't seem to see the chart lately. And I don't know if it's the holiday season. I'm not sure what's going on, but I think I need to take a break from it entirely for a couple days. It's a different it's a different setup. Got to get back to that thought process where it's meaningless. Like the sim stuff is meaningless. It doesn't mean anything, and you just gotta. The chart doesn't hurt you, you know. Let's see what's up. Like I'm still like I don't know if I have dopamine overload or if something's happening, but every time I get into a trade these days, I normally can hold forever, but now something broke. This feels like something broke. The financial rubber band is snapping back on me. I guess it's the best way to put it. All right, we got opening bell here. Let's see. We got a couple things down here at the VWAP. I think we could push towards this here. 25,637. We had a really nice push up. Let's see. Elite Trader Funding has extended their sale for 90% off until January 5th. Been working with them for a couple weeks now. I've been able to work with them. I've actually enjoyed working with them. Great service, great product. You get an eval for like 20 bucks. %90 off for Apex. You're looking for a prop. Gotta trim the neckline. Here we go, we're dumping off. Got that first gap down here. Oy. Wow. Build 50 points. From top here to bottom. Nice. VWAP tapped. It's tough to say what this is going to do. We filled the gap overnight, but does that really count? I don't know if it really counts. I think we do need to do a retest. Look at that. 25,553. Good pump down. Anybody short? Just pushing down. Pushing down. Hmm.
Stop at Q5. Nice little dump out here. We're clearing out these gaps here. Straight down. Bounced off of him.
Follow that flow, Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's dad's grinders all online tonight.
All right, let's see.
Thank you trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars trade the schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community. Scam a Ponzi, I love trading.
All right, let's see. Should I?
First bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with Bookmaps. Follow that flow, Alex on stream while the
Well, today's the last day of the year. Trading, I think, will cease to exist tonight, which is okay because it's New Year's Eve. Tomorrow, 2026, January 1st. It is the 1st. Sheesh. Time flies, huh? Time flies. It's insane. Where did it all go? Can't go back in time. All right, let's see. I'm gonna do this.
Ice from hit Q5.
futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community. The Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps.
Right, looking like we are gonna consolidate here for a bit.
Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps.
All right, let's see. Got a
All these guys are saying where the females at, man.
elite trader funding to trade.
What are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro.
Do 100K.
Futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge. Go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps community, man.
Man, I just looking for an entry to get into this dump off, this dump. Very curious to see if we go back and test the low, or if we find a bottom and keep rolling up.
On the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
I can say I didn't try.
Charts run deep,
Tried.
go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down, trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets
Man,
loose.
we sure do know how to jump off back to overnight low.
It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. TV30B taught me how to trade and leave. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want frills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal.
Stop fill.
Wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet of the storm. Sometimes I stare up at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with a tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress.
Come on, come back to POC.
Noise is growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.
No.
Stop fill.
Should have went short. And then watch it pop right back up to my target. Go figure. Look at that. Right back up to my entry. Right back up to my TP. That's the market for you guys, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what song you guys hearing right now.
Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with it.
Alright, I still want a long down here, so I'll try it again. Look, it went exactly, pretty much went back up to the TP I originally wanted. That's where it happens. That is what happens.
Order filled.
We'll try it. Nice retest of 2586. Oh man. 10-point candles. Just tearing away. The last day of the year. Hey, look at that. Didn't stop me out. Went green. Still running. Beautiful.
Order filled.
Alright, we'll take that. Pivot bounce. Pivotal bounce.
Stop filled.
Run it back down. Didn't like that bounce.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Happy New Year, DK England.
Stop filled.
I'm gonna go long, but the pivot might be the stop here. Building something here at the 600, it seems like. Maybe support or resistance. I think it needs to go test this 20 EMA. Maybe even all the way back to the VWAP. But we'll stop at the 20. Pull up my stop loss to break even.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Up $2,500 on the day for this eval. Tap the VWAP just about. retesting it. Got some momentum. I'd say it's still bullish to the 200. I rejected that VWAP nicely.
Order filled.
I wanted to lay it there, but it took my order as soon as I dropped it. Be shame to come all the way back to test that low and back up. See. Yeah, it's gonna get me out.
Stop filled.
I mean, it did reject the VWAP. I gotta respect that, and a pivot. So, fair flag.
Stop and resell. Stop and resell.
Here, I'll size it down for you guys. So if you guys want to follow here,
Stop
going long.
filled.
1 mini. Still think it wants to retest this 200 EMA, but I could be wrong. Excuse me. Look at that. Still could go higher. We can go to the. We can even go to open from here. Right. Risk management. See, at 200, I still thought it wanted that 200, but it's coming at it with some aggression. We're on the mean. We're rejecting the mean right now. Say, forget you, mean, go to 200. We're still up here. 630. Someone likes their 630. Market makers. I mean, why not? Go to right here, 650. 650 looks good. What's the book look like? That's got orders up there. We need to go fill some orders, huh? I mean, we filled all the gaps below, pretty much. There's one more, and we'll probably leave it behind until we dump off forever.
Stop filled.
Break even taken.
Stop and resell.
If you're just joining us, I'm trading the NQ with a 100K eval from Elite Trader Funding. 90% off right now. You can pick it up for 20 bucks. It's not going to kill the budget. If you do pass, it's 87 bucks. So to activate it across the board, just about for every single eval. Unless you're going direct to funding. Yeah, Lucid's good too.
Ice fruit and Q-Cell.
Which one are you using? The Pro? Are you using the
Stop field.
Flex? I have a 50K Pro that I got funded 2 days ago. Oh no, yesterday. Yesterday, regular trading hours, I funded the Pro in one trade. Actually, the first trade I ever took on it. Then I took a $1,000 profit in the sim funded. And then last night I took another $1,000 profit. So I'm up $2,000 in my 50K Pro. I think I took that one on stream last night on the NQ Bookmaps. If you didn't see that, I was live there. I took that trade there, I think. Yep. So took pretty much all those trades live on the Lucid. Flex? Okay. I like those flexes too. They're nice. Are we gonna go back and test it or what? What are we gonna do, NQ? I need a new chair. It like pinks my back. So, did you get the 50% off ABG when you bought it, or is it a 50K? Nice. Yeah, you know, you buy 5 of those, you get a free reset. I don't know how many you've been through already, but I mean, for being the last day of the year, they're doing some weird stuff with price action. Oh, I need some coffee. Getting a haircut, trimming the beard. This big old freaking thing. I live in the tundra in the winter, so at least it feels like it. It's not the tundra, but beard just goes. And then like I could like if I get my mustache going and just I should have got those New Year glasses that everybody in the party flutes or whatever they call them. Happy
Stop
New Year.
field.
Yeah. Can't seem to get this one going. Excited to take the day off tomorrow. Like from trading, the charts are off, everything's off. It'd be a good reset on the dopamine. Go.
Order filled.
I'll sell this down. I want to play to this 2-tick gap that we got going on down here. All right, let's have some fun with it. It is an eval, so for entertainment purposes only, we're gonna take the stop off. So it's just the only way out is my TP. What do you think? Crazy? It's only 20 bucks. So I'm taking my stop off. Only way out is my TP. 25, 5, 64, 50. One minute. Man, I cannot seem to pick the chart emotions right now. I don't know what's going on. At that, they're calling longs on the NQ. Fade me. Go for it. Like, I got $2,000 left in drawdown. You listen to some music?
Late shift, blue light, all night, TWB on. If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right.
Yeah, I know, DK. It's kind of chopping here.
Bookmaps, trust that chat.
Debating on when it wants to go higher or lower.
If you're here for the climb, not just the
I got no stop. 100k eval. Got $2,000 left. And it's just kind of rotating below the 20 EMA. I need to go retest the VWAP to go test. Go. Below the account. Go. The only way out is my TP.
I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Fuck with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah. Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that though, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. All these guys are saying where the females at, man. I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge. Go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps community, man.
Kaz beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah. Charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every
Yeah,
level to
we
the
got
story. Flash got proof. I've seen traders break down, try to chase
serious
that
selling.
we sit still, even when
But
the price gets loose.
I think this is still fair game. 25-5-64. I think that's a very fair game to play for, as long as we break the pivot. If you're just joining us now, I'm just doing 100k eval from Elite Trader Funding, which was like 20 bucks. No stop loss. We're gonna play that one. Stop loss on this one mini. My only way out is TP, so hands are off. Just watching. Not trying to be greedy. Just I broke something last night. Broke my my brain. I need to put it back together. Understand that this market doesn't hurt you. But I passed. I got like I'm profitable on all my PAs last night, this morning. So, yeesh. Goodness.
Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market.
So I'm just the only way out is if it goes down, hits my TP. The only way out. I'm not gonna hit the exit button early. I'm not gonna freak out if it blows the account, goes the other way. We're on YouTube. We might as well entertain you guys. Hey. Although, by all means, feel free to use our partners: Lucid, Elite Trader Funding, Blue Sky, Apex, MFF, TPT. You know, as your firms to go with, partner with if you're interested. Lucid right now has got 50% off. If you're a new customer, RMTWB. Elite Trader Funding extended their 90% off sale. Oh, there you go. Now you go 300 positive to negative 25. Bouncing off that pivot and low of day. Fire stacked up in there. We're like, no, you cannot go lower. Oh, yes, we can.
RMTWB, think with Bookmaps, baby. Let's get it. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you're missing, what you waiting for. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you missing, what you. Why would I lie to you? 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 Live RMTWB. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you missing, what you waiting for. Why would I lie to you?
Gas beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest.
Good morning, HR. How are you? How are you?
Just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move.
If you're just joining us, I'm in a 100K eval from Elite Trader Funding. I've taken a payout, so this is kind of a throw money at the wall and see if it sticks. No stop loss. The only way out would be my TP down here at 25,564. We've gotten a halfway there already. One mini on the board. I'm up already 100, 1,000, 1,800, 1,900 bucks. I got 2,000, $2,300 in drawdown left. Still dumping off here. But no stop loss, guys. No stop loss. I think we're still gonna go lower. The thing is where's the entry? The best entry. That's always the thing. I think I released too much dopamine, overloaded on dopamine and cortisol and my mind for trading, and haven't been able to really hold through a trade no matter the size. I don't know why. That's why I'm doing no stop loss, kind of rehabilitating my mind, because feels like a tilt's coming. Y'all know, you know. Let's talk about this for a quick second. You know, everybody knows when they feel like they're like gonna go on a tilt. I got 3 PAs. So it's like I had a hard time with my 3rd PA this morning. Yes, last night, man. I think last night I took a couple trades. I was like, okay. I even hit my daily active trading day. Good hit, good. Well, what's overnight low? Overnight low is 25, 550, 250. Yeah. I mean, I'm TPing at 25, 564. So that's my only way out. Or if you're just joining us, I'm saying that's my only way out. I have no stop loss. I can't even put it at break even. And I'm not gonna exit the trade until it hits it. So we're pushing towards it slowly. We could wick into it and take the trade. I don't know. So it's like, you know, when you're gonna start, you're about to tilt. And I took a couple trades. I even got let's say I was up 450 bucks, 420 bucks. And I was like, man, you know what? My active trading day is about $355. And I was like, you know, I want to make it $20 more. Stupid. Stupid. It was the stupidest thing I could have done. I ended up like logging out of my funded 150,000 funded account from Elite Trader Funding with a loss of 200 bucks. And I was like, I'm so disappointed in myself. And I traded for several trades, a couple hours, got on edge a couple times, and just ridiculous. Was like, what the heck is going on? So I took one trade this morning, 2 trades this morning before open, while I was trying to get my OBS to work. And is that low of day? Is that it? Is that it? The only way out was 25, 560, 450. Sat there and I was like, man, cannot understand. Cannot understand exactly what's going on, you know, with my mind and my brain about trading. And I was like, this is not even real money. Like, what the heck? What is wrong? Every time I enter a trade, I'd bring it to break even, and it would come back, take my break even, and then continue in the direction, just taunting me, putting me on tilt, trying to put me on tilt. I turned off the computer, walked away. It was down 175 bucks for my starting point for the whole night after taking 5 trades, big trades, lost. It was even down 690 bucks. And I had to come back from that to make it a positive active trading day. Just had to walk away, go to bed. I was frustrated though. I was so frustrated trying to go to bed. Like, couldn't sleep for like a couple of weeks. I was like, what's wrong with me? And then this morning did the same thing, couple trades. And then I put on 5 minis for 8-9 points. Came back, it broke down, went to 4-point like gain. And then I moved my stop to break even. Took my break even for 4, and then I was like, oh my goodness. So I'm left with 1 mini in the direction that I wanted it to go, and end up taking a deeper take profit than I did. And I ended up positive on that account, $460. But I was like, what a freaking fight, man. It was just the whole process of trading. And like, when I noticed that I was fighting myself on positive, negative, on my TP, the confidence and lack of, I was just like, man, I'm on tilt. If I was a newer trader, I'd be on tilt. I'd be on tilt 100%. Why? Because I know and recognize when I tilt as a person, and it's good for you to know too when you're gonna tilt. And it's good to know, because when you start to tilt, you can't get off the mouse. You cannot get off the mouse. You're like hands on, clicking away, everything. You buy, sell, break even. Oh, it's red, I'm hurting. You know, it's like, it's insane. Absolutely insane. This market can drive you nuts. And up the wall and blow your account. Doesn't matter how much money you have until you realize and thinking like, I need to get away from this freaking mouse. I need to get away from the computer. So I shut it down. I even like fought myself as I walked away and like was chilling and hanging out in bed. I even walked away thinking to myself, and I don't know if I'm the only one that does it, but walked away with a $200 loss, 180, and you know, from the whole night of trading it, wanting to run back downstairs to get on the market to catch the move up. I just was like, no, don't even don't even try. I just kept telling myself, no, in my dreams I was trading. That's how bad it was. I was trading in my dreams. Like it's a fight. It is a fight, and if you don't find a way to distract yourself from getting away from a tilt mindset. So I'm very excited for the new year. I'm very excited to not have to trade tonight. Because I believe the market is closed tonight. Let's see. Hours. Let's look at the hours. All right, so the hours for today will be. All right, so we close at regular trading day today, and then tonight we will not open. So overnight will be closed tonight. It's actually the only day in the year that overnight doesn't open. We'll be back and open tomorrow at 6 p.m. New Year's Day. So yeah, 6 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. So we out here. So no trading tonight, which I'm ecstatic about. Like I needed this break mentally, and I'm okay with it. So like typically I would look for a trade at night and try to get it out of the way and catch one to go, but man, I'm excited to. I have no problem with trading tomorrow at 6. So we kind of lose the whole trading day
Stop and Q bot.
entirely. We entirely lose a whole trading day. Wow, comes down and then just bounces. I blew my account. Well, I'm gonna call it now. My account will probably be blown. Because my drawdown, $2,000 still, but I think that was the low. That was the low of day. Actually hate that. Comes within literally like 4 points, 3.5 points of my TP, just to come all the way back up and blow the account. Oh well, it is what it is. RyanMac on staff, taking L's with liquidation statuses. Out of curiosity, you guys are watching. What are you guys using? Cash accounts, prop firms? What are you guys using? Don't want me to talk, just want to watch this trade go crazy. You guys using Lucid, Elite Trader Funding, TPT, MFF? You know, in my opinion, you should be using them all. Lucid, okay, David, thank you. Yeah, you should be using them all. We'll stick with one firm. All the firms that you like. You know, they're not even taking any more affiliates for Lucid, so unless you're like 500,000 subscribers deep. Oh, I'm hands off. I'm hands off. I don't even have a stop loss up, so I think that it'll come down here. It might even go lower. Could test low of day like you're asking, which is fine. In fact, you know, we should look for another target down here. Let's look for another target because the gap was there. Sheesh. I mean, we got really no gaps. It's tough to. What do we got left? Like nothing. Got nothing. Just nothing on the half hour. Oh, you're trading the ES? Actually, next year I'm bringing the ES to a YouTube near you. So I will be charting out or showing the ES. Actually thinking about how this is gonna be. So on this screen, I'm gonna split it down the middle. We're gonna have ES right here on the left. We're gonna have gold down here. And then we're gonna have my trading platform right here. $6,900 on the ES. Possible. Doable. I drew out some white lines for support and resistance when we go lower. Keyword, when we go lower. Inverse head and shoulders. You know, I have a feeling though, once we get back to low day, I think that we'll go lower. I'd be willing to bet that. Hmm. Back hurt. You ever get up and do some exercises in front of your desk? Do some jumping jacks, get that heart pumping. We could make it to like a couple points lower. We got a lot of volume here. Imbalance puts to calls on the options chain. So we have a 22,580. We do have some sellers down there. 25,570, 65. Yeah, that's where I'm at. 65. Good. We just need to break this standard deviation rather than go back to VWAP, which is also a pivot. And we just need to come lower.
Stop and sell.
Anybody copy trading 5 accounts on Lucid yet? I think we can. I mean, the MACD is starting to cross to go lower. Yeah, we have some room. Hmm. Like the standard deviation that we're sitting on for the Bookmap. Anybody short? Anybody short? I'm up 440 bucks. I mean, that was at the bottom, but of that candle. Retest. This is the retest candle, DK, if you're watching. So this is the 1 minute retest. We want this candle to go red. Then we will continue lower. If it doesn't go red, then we kind of channel here or go back up. I mean, the MACD needs to fall now a little bit more. We need to come back to like right here on the MACD. So we rejected the pivot. Obviously close here. Yep, beautiful. Only way out, 25,564. Here we go, another try. Get below 575. There it goes, right there. Oh man, bounced. Somebody trying to there. All right, we're heading lower. We gotta get past this 76. All right, so that's low of day, 70-ish, 69.25. So we'll see if we can get past it, break through. Can we do it? Can we do 15 more points? 15 points. Probably just dump down in this huge red engulfing, bear engulfing candle. Hmm. Most of the time, I'd probably be setting my stop loss at break even. But because I don't have one, or I'm not gonna put one, this is my only way out. Don't nail bite. No, no, no nail biting. We don't trade in fear here. No fear. It's that liquidity lower, but it doesn't know how to go get it. What time is it? 15-minute candle's about to close. So this is how you really want to like test your thought processes when you're trading, is get into a trade and take the stop loss off. 1 mini at the least. And read the charts. Like read it while you're in even an eval. Just get in and go, okay, what do we got? Current time. Deltas are turning green. We're on a pivot. We're rejecting the 20 EMA. Start saying those things out loud to you so you start to build a habit, is what I did. Talking to myself in front of the chart. God, I'll tell you what, my wife always like, are you talking to me? From upstairs, and I'm like, no. You know, okay, I'm just making sure. I was like, yeah, interrupted. Stop process interrupted. Just really kind of like looking at options chain data, MACD, whatever indicators you're using, Bollinger Bands or 5 EMAs or the Bookmap, CVD, Delta, or whatever it is you use. You start reading it. Current volume pressure, current volume, price action, rather than looking at the P&L. Because if I just sat here and did, 400, 380, 420, 425, 415, 420, 410, 400, 425, 440, 440. Right? Then what is that? That's not trading. That's hoping. That's you're frozen. You're stuck. You're like, can't even move. Try to move a little bit. Get comfortable. That's what you're trying to get comfortable with, is moving while you're in a trade. You gotta move. You gotta breathe. All right, let's see. I still think that this gap is going to hit. They're still trying to figure out how to get it. Might even go further down. I could even say that. Probably like a wick down. Maybe even a 25,549. Stuck here. All right, all right, all right.
It was gifted 5,000 fun by RMTWB.
Man, we're below this pivot pretty well. Just sticking below. No stop loss on this trade. 100K eval from Elite Trader Funding. Uh, 100K. It's 100K eval from Elite Trader Funding. It was like 20 bucks.
Nice for net yourself.
All right, here we go. We're gonna break. You know what though? You gotta Dave, one of the things that you have to take into account is between the 50K and the 100K is about $1,000 drawdown and a double the profit target. I mean, 100Ks are kind of pointless. It's either 50K or 150K is what I would kind of look at it as. But you do what you got to do. But the 100K to me, it's like it was $20, and I was like, I get $1,000 more than a 50K. So and plus I'm here for entertainment purposes, you know, trying to hit my TP. Yeah, 150K. I like the 150K myself. I have obviously Elite Trader funding. I have 150K there, which is like $30 on ETF, and I've taken a payout on it already. So I'm literally 4 days, I think 4 days, 3 days, 3 days from passing or from acquiring my
Order filled.
beautiful TP hit. Look at that. No stop loss. No stop loss.
Order filled.
There it goes. Thanks, appreciate it, Dave. So, but I do have a funded Lucid 50K Pro. I have a Lucid Pro 50K, and I currently have like $1,900 in the PA. There it went lower. Beautiful dump off. I waited that much longer to miss out on that much money. Sheesh. Like literally 20 points. You know what? The Pro allows for a larger cap, payout cap on the Pro. At least I hit my TP, but I waited that long for it to dump off. That sucks. That's what happens normally, because you don't know. But I did put a line here at 25.49, 549, 25.550. I thought it would go there. I mean, we're still dumping. So that's just it too, Dave. It's like you gotta look at what's best for you entirely. Like if you're okay with going to a cash account, not having a payout cap, and flexes are nice. They have no consistency on the Lucid. You can take out 50% or X amount of dollars of what you earn in that 5 days. There is a scaling plan though on the Flex. So on the Pro, you don't get that. You don't get the scaling. You can go max minis right away. But you need a buffer, which is what I'm comfortable with. So I like them both. I've yet to pass a Flex because it takes 2 days to pass and I value my time. So I did get a good gain out of that. Let's see where we're at for numbers on. Okay, I'm back to pretty much my maximum drawdown, which is $2,955 or $2,995, which I'm $5 off, and I have $2,566 in the win. I need about 6K to pass this, so $6,000, but I do want to go long, so let's try it. There's got to be a low a day in here somewhere.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Bet you that was a sweep. Now we go up. True, Dave. That is true. That is true. And you can do it that way. I'll get there. I mean, I'll work my pro that I have. 2 trading days in already, and $1,000 a day. So there is an active trading day criteria in the pro, but I mean, I'm okay with a $1,500 withdrawal in the next 3 days. So. I'm okay with that. I need to take a payout on Lucid though. It's time. I've contributed enough of my setup. So, all right, so we have another gap up here. I'm gonna go play the Macdicator for this gap up here. This gap right here, 564.25 would be a resistance. Obviously, it's proving to do that, but we'll see. We get back up to the pivot, round trip that sell off. Got long here at 25,552. All I see is bull. I'm even gonna spam the NQ Bookmaps with some bull. Rejecting that 20 EMA, which is also that previous gap area where I sold off at. If anybody was in that trade with me, where you sold off at too. But if we're prop firms, we're not even on the market. So how many funded traders we got in here? Everybody watching funded trader? I'm gonna assume that being yes. I'm live over here. Come here. All right, we're gonna play a song and then I'm gonna exit out of this YouTube. Turn it up a little bit.
If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teach us that. If you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Moms, dads, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
No, it was made by one of the community members, Dave. Yeah, I got all the songs that they made. Play that one again. I can play it again. No problem. Turn it down a little bit though. There you go.
Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with Bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO, RyanMac teaches that. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars trade the schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with Bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with Bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this.
All right, on that note, by all means, thank you for watching. Much appreciated. Had some good hold, good trade on that eval. Good music. We got it the new year tomorrow. We will not be streaming tonight because the market will be closed. And we won't be back until tomorrow night at 6 p.m. Eastern. Try to enjoy your life. The market will be closed. Please be safe by all means. If you're going to the bar tonight, you know, have a driver. If you're gonna hang out with family, enjoy your time. And please, life's short. Let's enjoy our time and not do anything extraordinary. No need to spend the night in the clink because of a couple beers. Yeah, I'm staying home too. I got a lot of kids to take care of, so I'm gonna spend New Year with them. Obviously, might have some people come over. Who knows? Don't hang out with amateur drinkers. You know, a heavy drinker can be an amateur drinker. I can tell you that right now. I haven't had a lick of alcohol in a while, and I had a Sapporo. It's a Japanese lager. Oh, so good, so good. And it was a 18-ounce can. I was like, man, I'm lit on one can. I used to be able to drink a whole case and not feel a thing. Yeah, Sapporo's good. And Modelo. I like Modelo and Sapporo. So anyway, 2 sips and you're drunk. Yep. I'm going back up to this pivot here. I'm gonna see if we can't catch it. And I really appreciate you all watching. Again, I do this for the TWB members and some whatever new subscribers we pull off of the algorithm. And I hope that you have a great Happy New Year. Thanks for spending it with me this morning. I will see you all. What day is it today? Holy cow. Friday morning. Friday morning. So, Happy New Year. Take care.
Gas beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline, the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. WB taught me how to trade and leave. Think with bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with bookmaps, feel that pace. WB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Yeah, think with bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.